Hi YouTube viewers, welcome to my channel CodeMaster Lab. In this video, we are going to install the latest version of CodeIgniter for framework. We will be seeing complete installation and configuration in this video. So for first, we need intl extension of PHP to be enabled, and the version should be 7.2 or higher. Some extension need to be enabled. You can able to see in the screen. Yeah, I'll give the documentation in the below link. You can just download it and just get those extensions enabled. Now let's get started with the downloading part. So I have opened the CodeIgniter website and downloaded the latest version, which is 4.5.5, as I am creating this video on 22nd of December 2024. We'll extract the file basically, and then we'll place all the file contents, the folders which they have provided in the XAMPP htdocs. We'll create a folder over there and we will paste complete 4 items. At first, what you need to do is you need to copy all the files not all the files, only the files from the public folder. We need to copy index.php and htaccess files to the main folder, CI4 folder. Okay, so once it is done, we need to do few modifications in your index.php file. So open this complete folder in VS Code, Visual Studio Code. This is normal code editor which I use. So in this, what we'll do, we'll open the index.php and then we will just remove // from the app folder, because we have already made it outside the public folder, so we have done that. Next, check for routes folder. So you will find a routes folder in app folder, then in config, and there you need to add one line. The line is like to access all the controller internal methods. So controller is the class name. In controller we have the class name. So in that class we have different methods. So to access them all, we'll set auto route to true, so that every class and every method can be accessed. Next will be your thing is like you need to go to app.php, or we need to go to app.php file where you need to change the URL. So at first you see the documentation part as well. So you need to go to this step 2. First step, where we need to open this app.php first step and just change the URL. So if I open my local host and the folder name, you got this base URL. So just copy that URL and just paste it out over here. That's it. So app is now perfectly fine. Now we need to able to access the controllers. So already we have kept it auto set, we have done to true. So all the methods can be accessed as of now. So what I'll do, I'll just create one method, view method, where I'll just echo welcome to CodeIgniter, something like that. Okay, step 2 is completely optional. If you want to do, you do it. Step 3 already we have completed it. Step 4 is also done. So all the things are done. Now you're set to use this CI4 as CI3 how you were using previously. So that's all. Now there will not be any errors. Migration will be very simple. If you want migration videos, I'll be creating my next steps. I'll just echo one line, welcome to kind of thing. You can able to see like I'm using the default controller which is mentioned over in this CI4 home. Few members always think like you are using the same controller. We create one more new controller. Let's just check it out whether it is working or not. Yeah, it's working. CI4 it is. So yeah, I've updated it over there. You got it. I'll create a new controller for you. Welcome. I'll just write wlcome.php. We'll create this. basic new controller. If you have any doubts like whether that is not working or something like that, then you can able to always see. Just copy the old controller contents, change the class name to the file name what you have mentioned similar to that, and yeah, that's it. Now if you change the controller class name, you can able to view it. I can able to change it to like welcome to welcome controller it is. So yeah, here you go, welcome to. So that's how you can use this as your previous CodeIgniter 3. Hope you have liked this video. If you have learned something, please give a like, comment below if you are facing any problems, so that I can able to help you out, or people who are watching this video will also, our community of our subscribers will also help you out to resolve your query. So that's all for this video. Hope you have a nice day. Thank you. Bye bye.